In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix boosting is currently unavailable in the iOS app when you're trying to run your Instagram ads on your phone from the Instagram application itself. So if you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, so I can be posting more. You can be able to fix Instagram ads solutions. Okay, now the moment you get this message you can see on the screen, you're going to see the screenshot on the screen right now. Boosting is currently unavailable in the app. Creating ads in the Instagram iOS app is unavailable. You can still use other Meta tools to create ads. Now, what they are actually telling you right here is to follow a very simple instructions. Now, in this video, I'm going to be giving you different kind of alternative or solutions to this problem. Do you understand? So that you can be able to boost that your very, precious Instagram ads immediately using your phone. Okay. Now, the first thing you want to do, okay, is to actually download Business Suite. Now, if you can understand that they are telling you to use other Meta tools to create ads, so Business Suite for your mobile phone is part of it. I'm going to show the icon on the screen right now. You're going to see the icon on the screen. Go to Play Store, go to Apple Store, go and download this application, log into your Instagram account using the Instagram login option on the Business Suite. So once you log into your Instagram, you can try to create your ads, boost your post, check out your Instagram post and try to promote any one of them. But if this does not work, then the second option you can be able to do is, now for those who want me to personally help them, who want me to coach them, who want to seek for my one-on-one consultation, don't forget to chat this number you can see on the screen. Maybe you have problem with Instagram ads payment method or with other targeting methods. So the second option you can do is to actually go into your Facebook ads manager using your laptop. Now, once you log into your Facebook account, you go to the ads manager using your laptop, the ads manager you want to use in running your ads. Then you create an Instagram ads from your ads manager editor. You get to the asset level, you get to the placement site. All you just need to do is tick off the Facebook placement, all the Facebook placements, and leave only Instagram. And by so doing, you can proceed with your ads creation, creating your ad details, every single thing, and you'll be able to create your Instagram ads by this method successfully. And you even have more payment option, and also you're going to have more targeting feature like behavior targeting and much more. Do you understand? If you need me to guide you on this, just chat this number on the screen. You can always chat me and I will solve this your problem. So the third thing you can do right now is get an Android phone. Now, I have an iPhone and this is my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. You can see it on the screen right now. And the reason why I have two phones is because of this purpose. And there are some things you can do on Android phone and that you might not be able to do on iPhone at the moment. And there are some applications that will go on iPhone that is not available on the Android. Do you understand? I know what I'm saying. I know those who are conversant with what I'm saying will actually relate to what I'm saying. Get an Android phone, log into your Instagram application on it, and try to boost your post from that place. Do you understand? So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I have more tutorial on YouTube ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Telegram ads. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, drop your comment. Any question you have, just drop your comment. If you like this video, drop it. If you don't like it, drop your comment, and I'll see you on the next video.